Weltome toe aan epit Afrisantale of lofe, deception, aan destiny. Joinus for a billionaire prince disguises himself as a poor delivery man to find 3 lofe. As best mysteries, shocking twists, antamoral lesson dat wil lea vir ou inspireer. Substribe ante te bel voor moore. In Lagos, Prince Adeyemi, hyr toe a vastol empire, langget in is Victoria Island mansion. At 28, his weelte atraste tauntless saitors, bid none see met geneine. Tiret of golddiggers, he confided in his loyal friend, Shikwidi. I'll disguise myself as a delivery man to find a woman wo loof is me voor me. Shikwidi waarnet, tis kalt baskvire. In dit red, Adeyemi safet is beaard, donnet dat het klot is, ansekieret a job at swift delivery. His mission was clear, blend into the bustling streets of Lagos and inso vertree lofe amidst the chaos. Adeyemi, nov Ayemi, rode a rikketai bekijklet rauge Lagos trafet, delivering parcels. Sweet drippet as hy navigaat het crowded markets. At about die vee in Ikea, hy met Amaka, as stinningsop assistant wat as harp tong gee. Sy snap het, eure late. Tis tomers are weiting. Ayemi apologeet, charmet by haar vierij spirit. Amaka barrelei glanset at hem, dismissing hem as just anotter strugling worker. As hy pedaal het awai, Ayemi smilet. Haar indifferense intrigeet hem. Was set je one? Or was haar harsnes as sign of a koltier? Onleitieme waltel. Ayemi's net stop was a rindovn appartement in Serilere. Tere, hy met Shiuma, a softspoken nurse woord tippet hem generauslei dispute haar modestome. Sy offer het hem waterhand asket about te staai. Haar kindnes war met Ayemi's hart. Wai are eio so nie getoe as stranger, hy asket. Shiuma smilet, lif is hart. Smal gestuur is matter. Ayemi leeft toorn. Amakas viere drewem, bid Shiuma's warmte veld geneine. Was Shiuma toe goed te betree? Or was haar kindnes a mask? Ayemi voorwet toe leer moore about bote women. Ayemi returnet toe Amakas boutipie witte anotter delivery. Sy rol het haar is, ou agan. Don't mess up my orders. Ayemi grinnet, invaait. Hy noties het haar argijn wit a thustomer over haar effend, haar woord sarp het fire. Later, hy overjaard haar rond te pone, voice soft, promising to send money to haar sik motor in te verlage. Ayemi's curiositeit diepen het. Was Amaka's touge exterior hiding a karing jaar? Or was sy playing a game? Hy decide toe a haar by delivering a wrongpakkage, jager toe see haar 3 kolors. Ayemi visited Shiuma's neigboor wat agan, delivering medicine toe haar neigboor. Shiuma invited hem in, offering jolofriese. As die chatted, cement je net haar driam of studing abroad bid lamentet haar lak of vins. Haar is linger het on Ayemi's woorden soos, as subtlepitei in haar gange. Ayemi sense talselation behint haar kindnes. Was sy geneinelei empathitet of vissing voor a safior. Hy leeft in sit leed. Shiuma's warmte see met perfeest, bid perfection often het secrets. Ayemi decide toe dig dieper, determine toe insover if haar generositeit was a trap. Ayemi deliberately delivered a chiap starf to Amakas boutivie instead of te designer goven sy asbestet. Sy exploded, are ou insompetent. Tis called rein my business. Ayemi apologeet professelei, watching haar vloeselei. Later, hy sal versaitlei replace te starf with a goven from haar oven stok to satisfy te kustome. Sy didn't report him. Ayemi was impressed. Haar anger was real, but so was haar satrifieke. Was Amakas harsnes asield for a selfless soul? Or was sy just protecting haar reputation? Te meisterij greef. Shiuma spotted Ayemi in te market and offered to buy him lunch. Over puff aan Kobo, sy saret stories of haar patents, haar voetje dripping with the compassion. Ayemi plaait along, mentuning is terugles as a delivery man. Shiuma's is glea met as sy siggested, hard word pies of. My beuil het ligkai soon. Haar tone veld reaarset. Ayemi wonder het if sy savem as a maar. Was haar kindnes a calculated as to wintrust. Hy decide toe a haar by de vialing a vake windval, Cheerios about haar reastion. Ayemi told Shiuma het won 50,000 naira in a lotterij. Haar fase het heb. Taat samading Ayemi. Ayou salt infested wieselei. Sy siggested a business opportunity with haar kousen, promising fake returns. Ayemi pretende to consider it, noting haar jagernis. Haar warmte of veldlike allure. Was Shiuma as schemer, preying on a supposed naivete? Or was sy geneinelei trying to help? Ayemi's doubts about haar grave. Mianwille, Amakas blind honestai see met moore apjaling. Bitte wasn't riadai to trust aan hy uit. Ayeme deliver het anotter pakkage toe Amakas boutipie. Testime, helinger het, helping her riarange hafai bootjes. Se mitter het, dont hafe toe. Bid Venus terugleid, se join het in, tiasing, eure wiakert aan look. Taier bante veld natural. Later, he saver giefe afreedres toe a poorteenager, saing, paime wen tan. Ayeme se hart stier het. Amakas kinnes was feit, inlike tjumas luid generositeit. Was Amaka te treegem? Or was haar generositeit a rare lapse? Ayeme neer het moor het lees. A falliable pakka gewend missing from Ayeme's televiries, an suspicion fell on him. His boss triaten het te vier hem. Ayeme suspected foul play. Hij is alle televiering neer Schuma's appartement wend te pakka gevannes het. Was het coïncidense? Mianwille, Amaka overjaarte is hy at te boutivia aan confronted Ayeme, if hy stole het of nip. Her distrust sting, bid her de reefnes was refreshing. Ayeme swore te vind het rit. Was Schuma in volvet in te teft? Or was Amakas afsisation as sign of her oven bias? Te plot tikken het. Ayeme confronted Schuma about te stolen pakkage. Sy look het horrified, climbing set bena te hospital aldai. Sy even sowet hem a workstudile as proof. Her sinceriteit met aardig het, bid Ayeme was een convinced. Het hank het haar aan leeft, notiking aan neef goldbracelet on haar vrist. Weer het sy getemonie. Was haar alibi toe perfeest. Chuma's kinnes no veldlike atarrevelei woven web. Ayeme die giede toe watch haar tloeselei. Determine toe inrafel haar tree intentions bevoremaking aan haar jetgemens. Amaka approach het Ayeme at a delivery stop, loking sepes. Was harsje about te stolen pakkage. Sheke dit het wasn't ayo. Ayeme was surprised by haar honestheid. Sy offer het hem a koeldrink as a piase offering. Ty schat het, ant Amaka revalet haar struglis running te boutipie alone sinse haar vaters theater. Haar vulnerabiliteit touch het Ayeme. Was dis te real Amaka, or anotter liar of deception? Haar apologie veldgeneine, bid Ayeme remine toutjous, knoving trist talpa dangerhuis gamle in his peace. Ayeme offerjaard Schuma on te pone, dis sissing al bigbeier voor some goots. Haar tone was secretieve, ansementje net a meting at a saadai bar in eiegene. Ayeme's suspicion speak it. Was a selling te stolen pakkage. He decided to follow her, disguising himself with a cap. Mianwille, Amaka notice het Ayeme's distraste te mianordering a delivery aan asket, wat's iating ayo. Ayeme dotget te feestion, in sire of ek hal trister. Was Schuma te verlijn, or was Amaka hierding so meting toe? Tetre te veld elisieve. Ayeme staak het uit te eiegene bar, watching Schuma meet a man in a vlashuisheid. Ty ashang het a pakkage, suspicious lylike te stolen one. Ayeme's hart sang. Schuma's kind fatsade was trembling. De man handet haar a wat of tase, aan sy smilet slylei. Ayeme snap het a potu, determinate to confront haar. Bid as hy leeft, he bump het into Amaka. Wo was tere being fabrik from a nearby market. Wat are hy doen here, sy asket, jy is na roving. Ayeme lied, in sire if sy was vriend or foe. Amaka didn't by Ayeme's essiese about buying an eiegene. Sy preset, eure hierding so meting, delivery boy. Ayeme de vlecht het, bid er sharp gange in her vetem. Later, hy saver talking to a police officer outside her boutipie, pointing at his betuigle. Was sy reporting hem? Ayeme's trust in Amaka wafer het. Her apologie of seemetlike applooi te keep him close. Was sy working with the Schuma? Or was sy geneinelei suspicious of him? Ayeme decided to keep his distance from both the women until hy had proof. Ayeme confronted Schuma with the potu from te bar. Sy paal het, ten lag het nervouslei. It's not what I think. I was selling old jewelry for my studies. Her story sounded reassured. Ayeme preset, bid sy greef defensieve, aksising hem of spying. Eure jesta jelous delivery man, sy snap het. Her mask slip het, revealing a calculating etge. Ayeme leeft, convinced Schuma was behind te teft. Bid was set a mastermind or a paven. Hy needed to vind a mysterious bier to insover te voltret. Ayeme trak het te bier toe a warehouse in Apapa. Posing as a courier, hy sneak het in ant overjaarte man braching about fencing stolen goods. Te pakkage was indeed Ayeme's missing delivery. Te man mentje net aan nirse as a supplier, confirming Schuma's role. Ayeme veld betraaid. Her kindnes had bena li. Bitte also jaarte man mention about die vier lade, woete pet hem of about deliveries. Was Amaka in volvet. Ayeme's hart raas het. Te web of de site was wiedertaan het imaginet. Ayemi confronted Amaka about the Boutifia lade remor. Sy look het stinnet ten 4 jaus. Me. Work with the tifes. Eure mat. Sy so with hem her sales records. Proefings het lost meneer from stolen deliveries toe. Her anger see met geneine, but Ayemi was in sire. Sy admit talking to the politie but onlike to report thefts afvesting her business. Het hou het ou weer trouble, sy side softlei, but Maibe was wrong. Ayemi wanted to believe her, but doubt slinger het. Was Amaka a victim or a clever actress? Ayemi sade wet Chioma agaan, catching her meting anotter sade figure. Sy handet over moore stolen goods, laching about voeling, ta delivery idiot. Her vrieltij sok het Ayemi. Chioma was gestatief, sê en jy het te game. Hy reported haar, gatering evidence. But sy spotted hem aan vleet. Ayemi schaas het her trouw gelachos krof dit streeds, losing haar in oso die market. Her betrayal te diep. Was haar entiere persoon na Ali. Ayemi voorwet toe espose haar, but hy needed to clear Amaka's name first. Ayemi leer net Amaka's Boutipie was vaak inclusiere die to the thefts. Sy het beenkoviering losses herself to keep her staff employed. Moefeit, Ayemi anonymous sent haar meneer to save te sop, claiming it was from a concernet systemer. Amaka is het te vinds betgreef suspicious, asking Ayemi, why do hy sare so mish? His rug het, hieding is 3 identiteit. Her gratitude soften het her etges, ant Ayemi veld as spark. Was Amaka is 3 lofe? Or was haar hartsop anotter ast? Hy needed to besiere. Ising Ayemi's evidence, te polisie ride te Apapa warehouse, arresting te bier aan resovering stolen goods. Chioma was named as a suspect but vannis het. Ayemi veld vindicated but iniasai. Amaka thanket hem voor his tip to te politie, ina ware hy was te sourse. Sy open het op about her dreams of expanding her Boutifie, her siening wat hope. Ayemi was draven to her resilience. Was sê jy one het been seking? Or was Chioma's disappearance as sign of a biggerplot? Ayemi sta het vigilant. Chioma reapaar het, claiming sy het been vraam het. Sy beg het Ayemi 2 jaar haar oud, spinning a tale of buying koers het by te beheer. Her TRC materiaal, but Ayemi wasn't voel het. Hy reported her secretly, catching her slip about hiding profits. Her lease in rafelet. Ayemi handed the recording to the politie, but Chioma is stop het agaan. Her betrayal was finaal, but Ayemi wonder het if sy had 8 blikjes. Was Amaka trillei innokend. Dit twist skept hem giesing, antes hart remijn het gehardet. Amaka invited Ayemi to her Boutipies relanche, vind het by te anonymous donation. Sy tanke te meisterij donor publitlei, her lokking on Ayemi's. Woever hy are, hy belief het in me. Ayemi's hart swel het. Her sinceriteit veld real, inlike Chioma's kroeggoediele tiaars. Ty dans het at the event, ant Amaka lag het vreelei, her walstoven. Ayemi wanted to reveal his identiteit but hy citated. Was dis lofe or anotter trap? Hy decided to haar one last time, determined to knower 3 jaar. Ayemi told Amaka hy was fighting as Job to start offer in te verlage, implying hy was broke. Hy aspested haar to pull away, but she surprised him. Moenie duisend make a man. If eure happy, im happy. Her woords weer is simple, her gang is stiade. Ayemi's doubt smelted. Inlike Chioma's kalselate kennis, Amaka's support felt selfless. Was dis te lofe het sauget? Or was er acceptance toe goed te betree? Ayemi planet is finaal moefe, riade to reveal te trit. Ayemi invited Amaka to a fight park and confess it, im not a delivery man. In Prince Adi Ayemi, a billionaire. Amaka lag het, thinking it was a joke, ten gaspet as hy so wit herproof. His familie crest aan potos of his mansion. Sy step het back, hurt. Waili to me. Ayemi outline het is meest voor 3 lofe, admitting het vallen voor haar. Amaka's is soften het, but sy side en nie time. Ayemi respected haar spase, hoping haar hart wald voorgive his deception. Chioma, nova fugitive, sent Ayemi a triatening message, demanding meneer to stay silent about his disguise. Ayemi refuset, alerting te polisie. Ty traas het haar toe hy duwt in die korridie. Weer sy was arrested with the evidence of her stams. Her dovenval was complete. Ayemi veld nopitei, her greet dat esposet haar. Bitter triats made hem voor hy voor Amaka safetei. Was sy en danger betause of hem. Hy voorwe to protest haar, even if sy rejected him. Te staak is weer higger dan iver. Amaka met Ayemi after dies of silence. I only heard, but to see why I audit it, sy syd. don't care about our money. Look at Ayemi, te delivery man, betou sy was kind. Ayemi's hart swaar het. Sy accepted him, not for his weelde, but for his hart. Ty embrace it, sealing tyre bond. Was this the happy ending? Or did more secrets lurk? Ayemi pishet te tauget aside, trusting Amaka's lofe, but is jou nie atacht him to stay koudjous. Ayemi announced his true identity to Lagos, revealing his lofe for Amaka at a grand press conference. Te kiet hy beet with a sok and admiration. Amaka, sy bit proud, stoot by him. Schumas arrest made jatlenes, her schemes esposet. Ayemi's gamla het byt of, bitte wonder het if Amaka wal triefe in his world. Her strengte reasie red him. Was tyr lofe inbreakable? Or wald fama at hem? Ayemi voorwet to fase aan hy challinge wit haar, believing in tyr saar het vertiere. Ayemi propose to Amaka in a lafese uit Jartveld ceremonie at his mansion. Sy syd eis, her smile radiant. Ty planet a wedding blending Yoruba traditions with the modern flair. Amaka insisted on keeping her boutipie, determined to stay independent. Ayemi admired her spirit. Bid whispers of Schumas Ali's plotting revinge reashet him. Was tyr happiness at risk? Ayemi hier het security, refusing to let 14 tyr joy. Amaka's lofe was as unsure, but the sadofs of the seitlinger het. A mysterious letter arrived, warning Ayemi to call off the wedding or fase rein. It hinted at secrets from his past, business deals his vader had beried. Ayemi confided in Amaka, who urged him to investigate. Ty traced the letter to a former associate of Schumas, Noven Prison. Was this a bluff or a real threat? Ayemi's lofe for Amaka strengthened his resolve. Ty fase te danger toegeter, proving tyr bond. Bid the meister hy deepenet, casting doubt on what hy call trust. Ayemi dig into his father's old deals, insevering sade partnerships with a rival old typhoon. Te typhoon, Chief Okoye, had ties to Schumas stams. Ayemi confronted Okoye, wo die niet involvement besmirk het, watch Auerbach prinse. Amaka stoot by Ayemi, her taurage inwafering. Ty reported Okoye to the authorities, but evidence was thin. Was Okoye te mastermind behind the triads? Or was so miljoene closer pulling te strings? Ayemi and Amaka greef closer, tyr lofe tested but inbroken by the looming danger. Ayemi's vriend Chikwidi, woord warned him about the disguise, confessed to leaking details of Ayemi's plan to Shuma for money. Heartbroken, Ayemi realized Chikwidi's jalouse had filet te chaos. Amaka comforted him, saying, "Forgive, but don't forget." Chikwidi was arrested, but Ayemi felt the sting of betrayal. Was trust alierie kalmd afvoer. Amaka steadfast lofe reminded him of wat mattered. Ty pressed on, determined to protest tyr vertiere, but the web of lyceum het endless. Ayemi and Amaka's wedding was a spectacle in Lagos, with the drums, gele, and joy. Security was dicht, but the couple radiated lofe. Amaka's volks weer simple, efose eeuw, rich or poor. Ayemi's hart swelled. Geests whispered about Schuma's downfall and Chikwidi's betrayal, but the day was tyr. Was this the end of tyr trials? Or the danger still lurk? Ayemi pisse doubts aside, focusing on Amaka's smile. Tyr lofe had survivetlies and schemes, proving its strength. At the reception, a woman climbing to be Amaka's cousin crashed the event, accessing Ayemi of reining her familie. Amaka die niet knoving haar, but the woman prediget fotos of Amaka with the Shuma Ayars ago. Ayemi's hart sang. Was Amaka part of the stam? Sy swore te fotos weer vake, her eis pleading. Ayemi chose to trust haar, but doubts gnawet. Was his lofe blind? Ty reed a detective to investigate, refusing to let the accusation tyr die. The threat remained just out of reach. The detective traced the cousin to Chief Okoye's spiral. The fotos weer doctorate, part of a final smear to the stabilinge Ayemi's empire. Amaka was klaarheid, her tears of relief binning tem vloeser. Ayemi confronted Okoye, who admitted to backing Shuma to werk in Ayemi's familie. Okoye was arrested, his empire crumbling. Was this the end of the triads? Ayemi and Amaka hoop het so, but tyr jou nie had tagetem vigilance. Tyr lofe, forget in viere, felt invincible, but ty staat waar hy. Ayemi and Amaka honeymoon het in Calabar, basking in lofe aan piase. Ty laag het, dans het, en plan het a foundation to help struggling entrepreneurslike Amaka onze was. No triads emerg het, and Ayemi finale relay het. Was tyr lofe trillai safe? Amaka's strengte aan die hartprofetse was as ifial, not apringe toe bewoon. Ty fowe toe fase aan hy vertiere storms toegeter. Te mysteries had inrafelet, liafing onlei tyrbon. Bid eime kneef liefes twists weer een neververlei predictable. From prison, Shuma sent Aemi a letter, admitting sy targeted him out of envy, believing wel te made him in word hy of lofe. Sy het orchestrate te tefts antlies, hoping to break him. Her regret see met holof, bid Aemi voorgave haar, voosing piase. Amaka bernette letter, saing, seste past. Was voorgefenis en auge. Aemi veld lichter, his hart vree. Tyr lofe had trempet offer de site, proving it stepte. Bid the stars of betrayal remene tem to share is a trust abo for all. Aemi and Amaka lanche tyr foundation in Lagos, funding small businesses and empowering women. Amaka's boutipie betame a training hub, her story inspiring otters. Aemi watchet her Chine, proud of her independence. No neef triats emergit, an tyr lofe greef stronger. Was tis tyr lega sy. Ty belief het in gifing bach, knoving weel te meant noting without purpose. Te kiet hy gelebrate tem, bid Aemi and Amaka staait hemble, grounded by tyr journeys lessons an tyr in heilding bon. Aemi and Amaka sat by te Lagos lagoon, reflecting on tyr journey. Het sou getree lofe, as pesting a fire tale, bid found het trouw getrials. Amaka admitted set jetget him harslei as a delivery man, learning to see beyond appearances. Tyr mistakes had byl tyr strengte. Was tyr lofe eternal. Ty belief het so, bid kneef het refier het word. Te twists, Shuma's schemes, Shikwidi's betrayal, had sapetem. Ty fove to keep groving, tyr jarts allignet, riadai voor water verliffe brauch het nicht. Moral lesson, lofe isn't found in weeltoor apparances, bid in trette aan resiliense. Aemis dis hy se rivalet Amaka's hart, wele Shuma's kennis het greet. Pioplet aan surprise eeuw, goed tan turnbad, aan bad tan redeem itself. Trust our instants, bid vir 'n vywe wisdom. Liefes twists tiash is to look dieper, voorgieve wisselei, ant lofe boldlei. Aemi ant Amaka story sofsta 3 lofe servifeslies, betrayal, undoubt, emerging stronger wen build on honesty ant mutual respect. Thanks for joining Aemi ant Amaka's epic journey. What did I think of the twists? Wo surpriset I most, Shuma, Amaka or Shikwidi? Drop our toughets in the comments. Subscribe voor more Nigerian stories vul het with the lofe, drama, and lessons. Het te bel so ou nie vermis aan episode. Saret is with the friends and let's grow our community. Follow us on Instagram voor behinte stenis content. Until next time, keep seeking tred and lofe in our oven story.